In the previous lesson, we learned about the 3/4 polyrhythm and learned to count and play this rhythm framed inside a measure of 3/4. This is a good first step, but the majority of music most of us play is in 4/4. How do we play 3/4 in 4/4 time? Answering this question will be the next step we take on the path to linear drumming. Stick around. In order to transplant our polyrhythm from 3/4 to 4/4, we must first reduce the polyrhythm down to its simplest form. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember that? In the last lesson, I explained that our rhythm of 3 is one note played every 3 counts. If we count 16th notes and emphasize every third count, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a. That is the simplest form of our polyrhythm. The rhythm of 4 is inherent in the 16th note count because each beat is divided into 4, and then over that we accent every third count. I know, I'm just repeating myself from the last lesson, but here's the next step. Just keep going. A measure of 4/4 has one more beat than a measure of 3/4, so just continue this process for 4 more 16th notes. That creates this. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. This is where we run into a problem. As a one-measure phrase in 4/4 time, 3/4 doesn't repeat cleanly back around to 1. There's that sudden jump from the of 4 to the downbeat of 1. 4 E and a, 1. There's nothing wrong with this rhythm. You might even dig it. But if we stopped here, we would not have our full 3/4 polyrhythm in 4/4. We would only have a portion of it. In order to play 3/4 in 4/4 time and have it repeat cleanly back to beat 1 without breaking the rhythm of 3, we need to continue this process for a total of 3 measures. Being able to count 16th notes and emphasize every third count like this is going to be an essential skill in the lessons to come. Remember that? I hope you practiced, because here we go. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. I strongly recommend you practice this before continuing with this lesson. We have successfully moved the 3/4 polyrhythm into 4/4 time. Now it's time to play it. Alright, so our sticking pattern is actually pretty simple. We're just going to play alternating single strokes, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. But we're going to accent that first right, tap the next 2 notes, accent the next left, then tap the next 2 notes. And then we repeat. Right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's all it is, really. That's our rhythm of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Once you're comfortable with that, count 16th notes out loud while you play. Try that with me. 1, 2, ready and a, play E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. Before we get into the final step of this lesson, I want to offer some insight that might be helpful. You may be a little daunted by the idea of learning to count, play, and eventually memorize a 3-measure phrase, but really all you need to know is the original 3-beat phrase. When we stretch this pattern out over 3 measures of 4/4, all we're really doing is repeating the same 3-beat idea 4 times. Keep that in mind as we move forward. Alright, we're almost there. The final step in this lesson is to add the bass drum. We're going to play the bass drum on all the numbered counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We actually did this in the last lesson as one of the exercises. The only difference is this time we're playing all the 16th notes in the measure with our hands. Let's actually start by doing this in a measure of 3/4. 1, 2, 3. To take our 3-beat pattern from 3/4 to 4/4, just play it 4 times. Try this along with me. 1, 2, ready, play. This 3-measure phrase is going to be the focal point of many future lessons in this series. You're going to want to be very comfortable with everything I showed you here before moving on. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching, have fun practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.